What's up, guys? Roddy here with another video, and what you see here is the Lexus GS400. We finally got it in the garage. It was kind of like puttering in, but it made it in smoothly. We're gonna start the water pump timing belt replacement on this car. You know, we can do all the preventative maintenance on it, and then when I actually get it rolling and running smooth, then I know that for sure like it's gonna last quite a bit. You know, right now it has like 279,000 kilometers on it. So once we do all the maintenance on this car, then it should last us or even go further than 500,000. So today I'm going to start off with taking off the front bumper and then assess the situation afterwards to see like what else we can remove to clear up, well, to make room to access all the pulleys and bolts and stuff like that. So, and Mans is right here. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Take off your heat shield rattle? I mean, you're gonna
do the back where the muffler is. Gonna get rid of some of the rattling that's been going on.
Alright guys, so I'll probably just put the GoPro down and then just give you guys like a time lapse of me taking off the front bumper, and then we'll assess it afterwards and see how it goes. So let's start now.
Alright, how far did you get?
We took off the headlamp washers. Right now there's a screw that's holding the bumper right here. So you gotta use like a long extension with a 10 mil to get underneath through the fender. And then after that will release the tension on that part where it connects to the fenders. And just gotta double check underneath to make sure there's nothing else like holding onto the bumper, and that should just come off. Hopefully you can see, which I can't. So I need a light. You have your light?
I think it's low battery. Gotta go get it. Oh man, shout out to Donald for the Street Seeker.
Hey, shout out Donald for that.
Banner.
Looks fresh.
Oh, you're not using this bumper again, right? Bumper's fucked.
Bootleg, yo. Holy.
Get it?
Get it, but it's ratcheting.
On this side, I don't think there's nothing holding in the back. It's holding it through the clips. Is it on it though? On it.
Should be. It needs a
Grip.
to ratchet. It's on it. You can see it, feel the bumper loosening.
Feel it?
Loosening here.
Jeez, let's go.
You literally get like minuscule movement.
Is it going? Yes! Let's go! I'm not sure how the other side is.
This is the most bitch area. Why would you put that right here?
Going the right way still, right? Yeah. Sometimes you can hit the switch by accident. Bolt should be more out now. How long is this bolt?
Yo, it's both spots. Oh, shit. Lexus, why you gotta make the bumper so hard to get out?
This point, let's just break it off. It's one of those things.
Can't give up that quick. I give up.
Yo, we can't make it worse than what it is right now. This bumper is ready for the graveyard.
Oh, I just need to rest my arm for a second.
I swear it's not turning. Yeah, let me check it out.
No, it's turning. I can feel it like
Right
pulling. It's pulling apart, and I can feel it between the gap right here. Just the burner on your fucking bicep. This is episode 1 of the water pump timing belt progress. Episode 1 is just the bumper removal. God damn.
If you can get it out.
That's one side.
God damn.
Oh, fuck. Lexus decided to use like a stud base type of nut on their bumper. As you can see here, there's a stud that comes out from the bumper, and there's one nut that holds it into the fender piece here, and it's like tucked right into the fender, like right in the front, where it's not pretty accessible unless, you know, you have the bottom half off. If I didn't have this clearance here to go get a wrench underneath, it would have been a pain in the butt. Luckily the bumper was freaking broken and I was able to do that. Now we move on to the next side of the bumper. Hopefully it's only one, not two, not two. So we're doing the right side of the bumper, and this side is like way more easier because on the left side you had the washer tank in the way. So every time you try to move the ratcheting wrench, you just kept getting limited from hitting the bottom, the washer tank. And this side, you pretty much have full clearance. So as you can hear right now, like it's just like I'm getting a lot of like teeth leverage out of the wrench. So I'll have this side out way quicker than the left side. So that's just a FYI for you guys that are planning to remove the bumper off the Lexus GS400. It's always good to check that your wrench didn't switch over to tightening, because it does do that sometimes. So you're not wrenching for no reason, you know. Like, what's trapped? What is trapped? Oh, I have a nut right here. Definitely gonna need a new bumper, which I will not keep this one. I'm probably gonna move on to the Vertex front bumper. Scrap this one. I'll definitely lose out on the headlamp washer feature on the car, but I mean, who really uses it? Oh, okay. Bumper's off. Trying to figure out this tab.
It's on the right side, bro.
I don't know if it's a...
It's a flathead and twist thing.
See, it looks like it would disconnect from here, from the brown side. And then you have this maroon connection point here, and then you have this black harness here, connection point. So I'm just trying to, I believe it's gonna come from this way. And voila, the bumper is off. Fuck this bumper, yo.
Let's take a quick assessment of this, ready?
Bumper is cracked right here, just about here. Looks like the bumper is definitely unrepairable. Gonna have to get a new bumper, which I just mentioned earlier. I'm definitely just gonna get the Vertex aftermarket bumper. It'll pretty much flow with the car because the car already has Vertex side skirts, Vertex rear lip, except that you can't get the Vertex front lip anymore from Japan. I'm just gonna have to settle with the Vertex full front bumper just to make it flow with the rest of the car. I want to run like a canard on the bumper. It'll make the front end a little more aggressive. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Today I just wanted to do the bumper removal. We'll see what we gotta do next. Well, probably the rad. We'll drain all the coolant out. Probably have to remove the condenser so we can access pulleys and everything. So that will probably be the second part of the video to the water pump timing belt replacement on the GS400. If you guys enjoyed the video and had a little laugh with us, check us out on Instagram at Street Seekers with an underscore, 1 underscore. You can, you know, contact me there. You can follow the page, you can follow the builds, see some of the local passion project cars that I go and take photos of locally in Ontario. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. What are you hiding over there, huh?
Too hot.